We're going to do a brief video of Rivian Stock, RIVN, Rivian Stock Today. We've got a daily chart up here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a tiny little blue 200-day moving average right here, a little piece of it. Rivian hasn't been a public company long enough to get a really good 200-day moving average, but let's take a look and see. We see this stock peaked out on November of 2021 at around $179 a share, and it's essentially been in the bear market ever since. It has been respecting the 20-day moving average pretty good for most of the time. You can see it fell away from it, came up and tested it, came sideways a little bit here through it, and down again, basically respecting the 20-day moving average. And so what we can determine from this stock is that it's currently in a bear market. It is definitely struggling to rally out of that bear market, and we're doing a video on it today because there's some very interesting things going on. As we can see here, we got a rally above the 20-day for the first time. We got a significant rally. This was just some noise here. We got a rally above the 20-day here back in the spring of 2022. We resumed the bear market down to this May 10th low of, May 11th low of about $19, $19.25, and then we went sideways. We've been going sideways pretty much not the whole summer, but certainly through the middle of July. We started to make some moves upwards from this bottom in May about the second week in July, and you can see we respected nicely the 20-day moving average through the middle of August. We then broke back down again, and which is not unusual when you're trying to put a bottom in on a stock, but we broke back down again, made a high here of about $40 and broke back down to about 32. So currently what's going on, and the reason we're choosing to do this today, is this stock's got a good little rally going on. It's about 10 o'clock on the 8th of September. It's already put in almost 15 million shares, and again, it's only 10 o'clock. Stock's up $2.43, about 7%. So it looks like people have decided to at least try to put this stock back into a bull market. You can see this tiny little section of the 200-day moving average. We're nowhere near testing that yet. That's around the $50 level. We need to get above that $50 level, close above it, be supported by the 20-day moving average, and get the 5 and 20-day moving averages above the 200-day moving average. And we're quite a bit of distance that. We're $15 from that right now. $15 in this stock would be almost 40% move. So that's a huge move for this stock. I don't know that I see that right this second. If you push these out back and forth, you can see the stock's really still beat down. If we come in a little closer, it looks like a more optimistic situation. But let me take a look here. That's $19, and we rallied up to $40. That's pretty good. I would say that there's a possibility this stock could get to about the $44, $45 range by the end of September if they get behind it, if some money comes in and starts pushing it. I don't see it necessarily. The 200-day moving average may be close to that level at that time, and I suspect it'll bounce off the 200-day moving average and correct a little bit. But I think a reasonable target, if this stock continues to rally, if this stock gets above, if the 5-day gets above the 20-day moving average and stays there, I think the stock could rally to the $44, $45 area by the end of September. Now, looking at it from the other perspective, right this second, I don't see tremendous negativity in this stock. I also see a stock that trades pretty reasonably. It doesn't have a lot of history, but there's not a lot of false moves in this stock that I can see. So I don't really see this stock trading back down to the low 20s to challenge this area right here. It could certainly do it. This is all in my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but I don't see that right this second. Most likely what I see is a pullback to the low 30s, and that could happen anytime if we were to get that pullback in the low 30s by, say, the second or third week of September. But I think we'll probably get a little bit of a smaller pullback and then probably a rally up maybe to $42 to $44 by the end of September. That's my best guess right now. That's all it is a guess for entertainment purposes only. I do not think we follow this stock on RIVN Research. Let's take a look real quick and see if we do. RIVN Research puts out algorithmically generated trades every morning, Monday through Friday. These are the ones that are current for the 8th. We do not cover this stock, but I will check and see if we can add it. You can see today, and I've already looked at this, we have showing zeros across the board here. Today there's only a few stocks that are covered. That means the algorithm is saying today's not a great day to buy a lot of these stocks. There's 190 stocks listed on here, 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading days. And the way this works is you buy, you pick your column, you buy, assuming your own research says it's a good idea, buy in that column, hold till the end of the first trading day, so that'd be buy today, close end of trading tomorrow at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you get it, and so forth. If you bought the 20-day column, you'd buy today, close worst case 20 days later at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you got them. So that's how these work. These are all for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis, but that's what's going on here. And as you can see today, we're almost completely zeroed through here, except for Verizon and a few others. Because essentially they're saying the market's overbought today. That's what the algorithm is essentially saying. But these come out Monday morning through Friday morning before 7 a.m. Absolutely no cost. You can get them all at ribnresearch.com. No credit card required. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the major forex pairs. We cover BTC for crypto and the most liquid futures. We cover shorts and longs for everything but the stocks. Right now the stocks are currently just longs only, but the rest of them have shorts or longs every day, Monday through Friday. Again, you can get them all at RIVN Research. There's a link in the description below. Free, no credit card required. You just follow the link and sign up to get them. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have a great comment on how we can make this video better, please leave it in the comment section below. We'd like to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Everything you've heard or seen is for opinion, our opinion only. You have to do your own analysis. Can't use our entry prices or analysis for anything other than entertainment. And you definitely trade at your own risk.